This is one of those things where it looks much easier than it actually is, because doing lines like this back to back, let alone trying to get them near to perfect, is very, very difficult. You can see that none of these lines are necessarily perfect. However, majority of them have a decent read. I feel like this is development in the right direction. Progression is a slow burn process that we have to go through. There's no way around it. This is a tattooing workbook that I developed called The Tattoo Journal Volume 1, which is now available on my Amazon author page. I will be leaving my Amazon affiliate links for you in the description below to this video, so you can check out this tattooing workbook amongst an assortment of other tattooing workbooks that I created designed to help you develop in a better direction. Once again, this one is called The Tattoo Journal Volume 1. This is basic lining exercises. There is volume 2 and 3 where we go to advanced exercises and then full-blown lining exercises with shading. But for now, this is going to be a video here demonstrating the volume 1 of basic lining exercises. You can see that I do have a lot more work to brush up on. I can see areas where I have room for improvement and which I will focus on. For me, I'm going to be focusing my posture and my position before I commit to any lines, so that way I can yield the best possible results. We also have to keep in mind that I am using a ballpoint cartridge, so I have to be real precise with how I go about depositing the ink. But overall, in terms of line weight integrity, I do feel like that was captured on pretty much every single exercise with minor fluctuations. If you're wanting to progress or just simply stay sharp with your skills, check out one of my assorted tattooing workbooks, in which I will be leaving my Amazon affiliate links for you in the description below, so you can check out these workbooks on your end. Should you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment below. I'll do my best to assist in the best possible direction. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video before you go, as I will be bringing more videos and workbooks like this for you all. Here's the Tattoo Journal Volume 1, which is a tattooing workbook that I developed that's designed to help us with our basic lining. It consists of loads of lining exercises that you can use to help assist your development. So here's an example of how this would work. Here's my A point. I'm going to make my way all the way to my B point. Whether I'm going to be creating one long line or if I'm just going to be tapering in and out, I'm going to figure out. Either way, I'm going to be developing in a better direction. So I'm going to figure out how I'm going to go about this. Identify my point A, and then make my way on over to my point B as cleanly as I can. So loads of mistakes are being made. There we go. From point A to point B. I want to try that again here.
Are you wanting to develop your tattooing skill sets? Now you can practice and develop anytime, any place with an assortment of tattooing workbooks that I've created. With these assorted tattooing workbooks, we can practice our basic lining all the way to advanced lining. We can practice shading, shading placement, dot work, textures, and more. All we are going to need is a tattoo workbook of mine. We can use a pencil, pen. We can even use a tattoo machine with a ballpoint cartridge to develop our tattooing abilities further. That means that we don't need tattoo ink, we don't need napkins or petroleum jelly to get to practicing. Simply open one of my tattooing workbooks and get going. It really is that easy. You can get your hands on one of my developmental tattooing assorted workbooks by simply clicking the links in my description or in the pinned comment section below, or navigating on over to Amazon.com, typing in Daniel Yuck, and you'll see all of the assorted tattoo workbooks that I've created come up. If you have an Amazon account, be sure to follow my Amazon author page as well, as I would greatly appreciate your support. Should you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction.